Some people may have a life for share with you know. So Rosealee say TJ pull up on her yard. You see me I say? So we are going to hear what TJ I say about the situation because TJ and Rosealee been like them the really good from about maybe a year ago or a year and plus seen when TJ did for must pick her up her yard for some party or whatever and him never go pick her up. Him tell her say him I go send somebody come pick her up. So it look like say Rosealee did one, you know what I mean, TJ himself come pick her up, you know what I mean? So at this so the whole fooling start with the two of them, right? The other day when Rosealee and our bestie kick off is like TJ did have him opinion on the situation and him talk about it and that kind of reignite the vibes between the two of them. So TJ allegedly pull up on Rosealee last night way up in at the 2 o'clock my people. So make we hear what go on.
Going up on a blood clot. I'm killing Cked. When I hear me talk on the internet, there's something called that get not real. The man says, so you come out with knife, I become me not cap. If I come for blood clot lick me, you couldn't kick me up. I'm in a ram, you have to come out your cap and start stab you. Yeah. And I come out all tight, so I drop the phone and start ram up your blood. You don't tell me to turn the camera up on him, because I fling me up on the thing with this. King don't ask me what the blood clot time for. I say me now in a chattings. Him come out of the blood clot car, already ready for something. I say, in your blood clot. Yeah. In a cap. Yeah. I'm not capping. No, then restart. Come here, go restart.
DJ, yo, we have the woman in the yard.
Which woman? When I play a match?
I don't want. I'm vibing with my chat. Like,
Miss Grippy, jump.
Alright, we'll come back.
don't tell me to drop. I was gonna do that anyway.
Miss Grippy, go. DJ.
Jayden, you call me name for a later night. What I'm telling brother?
All later night, me hear the woman in the yard and a mango tree.
And a mango tree? Me need to eat mango.
My youth. That is a brain of my youth.
Bad man, me not eat mango.
Now I think you're better than
I eat
that.
mango so late.
Think you're better than that, brother.
I'm a concern there.
Pink shop.
Eh?
Yeah, the pink shop, TJ.
Who did the pink shop?
Well, TJ, man. Hold on, I'm going to put on red light because I can't see you good enough. Hold on.
Let me know when I see myself, but I need to put on my light. Hold on there. So them hours here wrong, Jayden?
Eh?
Are them hours here wrong?
Them hours I'm wrong. What are them hours you got Rose yard?
Got Rose yard?
Ah, the pink tree at the pink shop.
Rose, I'm come here yard?
Yes. Them not hear the voice.
Them hours here?
No, you say I got type and you type and say me come to apologize. We hear you.
Which one I pay, Jem? Oh, yeah, me did type, but me never.
The 40 at badge.
Oh, yeah, me did say, I got apologize. That what she said, me come here yard?
DJ, my youth, stop using the brain of my youth.
Jayden, if you talk to me, no dog, and stop the ramping, brother.
You not talk, me I talk to you, brother.
So me come here, I see you garden them hours here after 2 now, Jayden.
Judge, I got me order.
We still wait for the shoot.
Some people, if him pull up our yard, is a youth where at least him always say him is a serious youth still. But if him pull up our yard, them the hours there, him different. You know what I mean? And she and him not on a good term. You understand me? I say, I wish back Rosealee live is a bad place too, you know. Yeah, man, it's a ghetto. You see me? I say, so, me no know how the G comfortable and pull up in our place. Me no know if I true still. You know what I mean? But, more advise nobody to do that. You know what I mean? No matter how soft you think that person is, me know that I would advise a person to pull up at that person place even so late in the night. But it must heavy still. But me know what I think in the comment section with people. Like what some more.
Who said them are going to tell me?
Now you?
Eh?
Now you?
Somebody said, me said them are going to shoot you?
Yeah. Now that me hear you say.
So how you still alive?
So why you left doing the park come here for?
One
And
minute.
me ask you.
You sure?
Why you left doing the park drive come and see you for?
May I ask you a question? You sure me you say?
And who me say?
And what the person said to you?
And you my blood clot say. You can't
Okay.
come my foot. First thing first, ask me why I'm come out with knife. TJ me no mascot girl. This is a blood clot 90.
Let me ask you a question. So somebody come here yard after 2 and see you guys and come out with knife?
You come here a while ago. You.
Rose, may I ask you a question? So you come here yard a while ago, you come out with knife?
Yeah.
With the what?
Anything what you go do, man?
With knife, Rose? And you live and see you?
I live at Duane Park.
No, I'm not live at Duane Park, Rose. I'm not live at Duane Park. Anyway, Rose, as what I say, I see your screen recording them. See? You hear me? Now I want you to cut the fuckery.
Yeah, you can't scare me. I talk anything I want.
No, you want me to say to you?
Anything what you want, you come and you do it.
You know, you want me to say
You
to you?
can't tell me what to do, you can't tell me what to say.
I'm going to make you talk. When
Listen
you
to me,
don't
I'm
talk,
not
let me know.
afraid.
When you don't talk, let me know.
Talk, no?
Alright, so you want me to say no?
Papa, me I get the floor, because I'm afraid.
Alright, you want me to say no? I listen to you since night.
Yeah?
Right? I'm realizing you look like
Yeah.
you can't help yourself from the drama, see? Since night me I play Jayden. Listen to me now, man, and stop it. Since night me I play Jayden.
Hold on, TJ. Why the fuck you left on TJ live? Talk, TJ.
Like when them class, me and I have to outside
You
that.
must know. You must know. You must know now.
Talk, no, sir. I
Alright,
want
so
like
since
me
night
tomorrow, no really matter. Talk.
Rose, you're outside, Rose, you need to go inside, you know.
Me nah go in, me, and by the way you send them. What the fuck me are going from? Me not afraid of nothing.
Rosalie, yeah, woman, why would I say
No
for?
afraid of no. Mama tell her this something more about what
Anyways, you me say no.
get this from so no one. Tell me
You me say
that so.
you're not giving a chance to talk, star. Rose, you're not giving a chance to talk.
Talk no?
I'm saying to you, me need you to cut the fuckery. Nobody never that try. Nobody never that. When me that talk to Ashley since night, you come. When based off how me hear you say, me I make you look like say you look for Jayden.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. What me? What can I do?
Rosalie, as what more you understand, what make you can't, I understand, I'm not disrespecting them, I understand say you never finish school and so. But you can't, for somebody like me, you know what I said? Yo, you gotta listen to me or not. Tell me when you talk so we can stop talk. Or two we can't talk. What I'm saying to you, why? Oh, alright, better you do that. Hey, you may say no, Jayden. I don't know if you're not planning them look at something like that, but I can't be a part. I don't have time for the fuckery, brother.
Plan what?
Because, as I said, today when me I play Your Girl, and Your Girl I say, yo, Rose says something like, oh, for front better. I say, what? What that mean? I said, then Rose and Jim do the things, and then she said, me no know. And that was it. And she asked, and you said no, and that was it. So what this come about now about this and who at this and she try to bring up back some shit. Dog, me tell you now, I realize that you know dramatic certain way, and the thing them we have to go do forget give me no dep on it. And Rose, boy, me I tell you, you see in a life, dog, Sometimes I better you just see people and allow them because I've been a repeat this over and over from the other day. I say, Rose, and me bring up on the fucking app. And me make you start play with people. And me help you, show you everything on fucking TikTok. So when you come now, and I bring up some things that talk about, oh, we do this and we do that here, like it just not make no sense. I invite Rose to one party. I never tell Rose say me I come pick her up. If she didn't want me pick her up, all she did need for do, I just tell me say, yo, come get her.
Alright, some people get here in my ask think that if I plan them things here, because some of the time people it look like say I plan these TikTokers plan an argument, you know what I mean? It look that way there, so you hear him ask the thing that if I plan him and Rosealee plan the arguments because him can't be a part of it. So sometimes some people find some little niche where they might get them people are coming in and then also I get gifts and them something there. So them just continue with them niche. You understand? But I know everybody I go on in the whole passa and things. Some people not depend that. You understand me? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Cause people, I tell you say it all started when him did for pick up Rosealee.
Even though she never said, Mr. Rose, I'm going to send somebody for you because my car full. And from there, so, a beer bumbo clad argument, dog. I mean, brother, tonight are the first, maybe, I think tonight are probably the first or the second time I ever tell her to go suck her mother. And upon the live. Because it just disgusting, it just don't make no sense. How can somebody like me show you so much things? Me don't know you from nowhere. I never know about Rose, none at all, until this little something would go viral where say do this and beat me. And Rose used to just dip on her little bed, dog. She alone, she don't know nothing at all about TikTok. I say, Rose, get a chip, come over here so me will play a match with you. See? Until she just start build herself. I never yet come talk them things yet other night when me I say, Rose, stop feel like some have you up in the dog, like you don't make no fucking sense. Me and Rose play a match with Ivany and sell wig. Bricks I should buy one of me I say bomba. Really and truly, I'm gonna do something nice, Rose, because my sister she's a loner dog. You know some people, it's like you would just never really have nobody. I say some woman buy the woman one wig and say Rose for your birthday that. You know what the woman tell me? I don't know Rose is probably about 35 years old. Rose say, yo, TJ, thank you. A first in my entire life somebody ever come give me a present. I mean I say, yo, John, that will make my heart all melt. You see me? And as I say, I never yet come tonight at the first me I come bring up back this dad. And remember say more than one time Rose come done me, you know. 30. Alright, happy 30. You see me I say, dad, I can't more time, bro, me is a man, I'm humble for a reason, dad, because when my head gone, it just gone, dad. I can't, Rose lucky say she one woman, you know, man, I tell you, you know. I can't take the fuck with her, like every minute, every single chance she get, and then she's so fucking stupid, because me, when we met the video the other day, when me I say, yo, Rose, I know you're disgusting, but me no believe say this spitting a jayden juice, see? I'm going to explain to the people them what she do. She drink the something, and then she give you. In a fear head, she say, yo, she spitting it and give you. I'm going to explain that to everybody. Say it was not a case where she said so too, and spitting in your juice. You get what me I say, brother? So me, how would this? Anyways, as what me I said, dog, me not have time for the one bagger and Rose a woman and me is a man, dog. And me I tell you, more time Rose draw me out certain way, dog. And me just have to hold it. I just need her to understand this. Me need her to understand this. She need to stop feel like say, me a pray her and have her up. If me did eat Rose, because it don't make no sense, none at all. Oh, me and you so good, me see you by yourself and me say Rose. Come we play so much. Come for do this. She don't know if you read her right, but Mr. Rose, me will show you. Me tell her how to literally do every fucking thing where TikTok have for offer. And she can't deny it. So all of a sudden now, when me not do this woman, nothing, she still, every little thing, she bring up about my woman this and my woman that, like some, I don't know if it's some jealousy thing or what, bro. No, but that's the thing now. Here we go on now. I know that she's slow. As what me say, me can see say, as somebody when not to write it upstairs. You see me? The only talent you have.
Did you go to her yard?
We're not gonna discuss that. Cause here she say, somebody come her yard and promise her a gunshot. And she woman, thank God everything record.
Are your voice me or no?
You hear my voice. You nobody promise nobody gunshot? Yes or no?
No, I never hear that part there.
Okay.
Me never hear that part there. Me can't say me hear that. Me never hear it.
Bro.
Me never hear it. The life did pass. You see, me never hear it.
How would this sister then hear?
But are you go?
Probably. Anyways. What may I tell you now, dog? Tell Rose to stop, brother. I don't like it. And it kinda triggering now. It kinda triggering now, bro. Everybody, as I said, this is me. You see me, everybody will follow up on the app. I'll meet them, I'm gonna find out what I go on. You see me? I'm gonna want it to stop now, dog.
You should have got your door, bro.
Jayden, not tell me what I should do from where. I know to do.
Man, yo, TJ.
You hear what me say, Jayden? You hear what me say to you? You hear what me say to you, though?
TJ, tell us something.
No, I know everything where you go tell me. I been live the life I hear everything where you tell me. This is not about no badness or nothing. Make Rosealee tell you the truth or go on a while ago. But she not just say that only the on the live and hear.
So you tell me the truth, no?
Them not just tell you, bro. I just tell Rosealee, so Rosealee, you need to stop. That was it. Literally, that was it. And my dog them round there and tell me, say, yo, I never even know there's so much people around this and I like Rosealee.
Me not like people more that tell TJ, Sefi, Lord, Rosealee, no mention her name or nothing like that. You see people will love act like play a victim and them something there. You have to be careful of those people. You see me I say? Because me not like me hear Rosealee, this DJ wicked class, him deal with him all different type of way. You see me I say? And me hear TJ like him always calm when him talk about Rosealee and them way there, but him this are also. You see me? But on a level, you have to know what you do because people we say things when I go so. You understand me? By him going to her house that late, you know what I mean? She can't say anything at all. You understand me? She can't even go to the station and make the officers them know, say, you know, say this boy, whatever, and him never, whatever. So, him have to be careful. Him should have got yard. That are the main thing. You understand me? But him need for, if him no like the drama and them something there, him need for just allow Rosealee because Rosealee go play a victim. You know what I mean? I make him look a certain type of way. And anytime man and woman in a vibes, people mostly I go and go up on the woman side, the man now go get the right. You see me? So me no know why this reach so far with him and Rosealee, but you know what I mean, him for just allow her out and just avoid her.
But as I say, is a woman and dog, who don't want to nothing to Rosealee, who don't want to nothing to nobody on the app, brother. One life, everybody have to live.
Yo, TJ, a woman that got talking, bro.
No, it don't matter about the talk, Jayden. Mama tell you, a woman will you say for I better than me and my woman I go at it back and forth. But bro, for this woman woman literally come and help, dog. And she still feel like say you're against her. Like it just a be a suck up mother and this and it just don't make no sense. What Rosealee could have do to me for me hate her. Just get up and just say, yo, here I'm gonna hate Rosealee for no reason, brother. And she has and me make she there so now. And she know that. So how it makes sense?
TJ, that's another point. You should go at the woman yard, bro. At that type point, bro.
Jayden, nobody can tell me where I'm for go for a woman or go. I'm a big man. You hear that?
So TJ, suppose that the girl in our yard, bro. And some of our friends did that, bro.
That cannot happen. That cannot. Everybody where Rosealee thinks that she knows so bad already know me. And them know some is them know how me stay. Them know some is that a fuckery man. all who say me nah right for come our yard, a phone yard, me might come next, and I get the fuck off of my life. Only day when this woman attack, I want to know, no nothing man, I better no bill man. The fuck? But anyway, I can't take the bag of disrespect, bro. Like, if we never disrespect each other, we can continue to do that and keep it moving. And, you know, remember, you know, dog, this woman I say, yo, me a egg and situation. Remember, say Rosealee come call me name? And that is why I'm explaining in the video, I say Rosealee. First and foremost, when Jayden and the girl, and what's your name, Cked? Or whatever she wanted, when you and the girl attack and the people, I said the woman spitting, Rosealee spitting a drink. Remember, say me get black, you know? Because me that I said, no, sir, Rosealee not go do that. So, me that I think, say, yo, she would do something like that, turn into me a lead and situation. Trying to scare. Bro, if you don't even know what time it is, I'm not talking about you. I don't need to scare nobody, brother. He's a humble soul. I don't need to scare nobody. What kind of scare not talking about? The fuck?
TJ, I'm tell you what you do.
Anyway, Jayden, you're not
going to apologize, bro.
No.
Prove a point, bro.
No, I don't know proof. Yeah, the proof. No, the only point I want to prove to Rosealee is that Rosealee may not have nothing at all. Stop the disrespect. Me and you have nothing at all. Stop call up my name and stop disrespect me. I'm a woman.
TJ, bro. The point is, you're good if you sure, man. Say, remember, say me know where you live. That's the point of proof.
Jayden. Tonight are the first I know where Rosealee live. Tonight. Literally moments ago. I don't have time for look for no woman that I just go there to tell her, I say, yo, listen to me. Stop. Even know everybody here. I'm going to record everything. Please stop, Rosealee. Please stop. Anything I want to do after, I just want to know something, tell you to stop. I'm going to give about fuck about none after. I tell you to stop. I ask you kindly 3 times. I say, Rosealee, you know better. Please stop. Oh no, I don't stop and ready. I say, alright, you not stop? Okay then. That's it. CV, I'm a place, you know that. You see that CV every day, you know. I have family round the road from her. So I'm going to look for my family then. Simple. So you gotta tell me something I can't go see you. I go anywhere.
All of a sudden you want to go look for your family, man.
All of a sudden. Long time I don't see them. But anyway, that's what I say, bro. You're not going to have conversation. I'm not going to no bag of talking and no bag of back and forth. If I see her again, I'm going to ask her kindly again. Rosealee, please stop. I am not against you. I don't care about what you do. I wish you would have done a little better, but I realize your upstairs just different from everybody else. You want to do this and do that and say certain things and do certain things. I'm more than one time I try to encourage her. I say, Rosealee, bad too bad, you know. I understand probably say you get tough look, but you can't, the things them what you say and do around your picnic, you can't do that. You understand? I'm just, one time I said to her, and then I not mention it again because I don't want, she go say, yo, don't talk about my kids. It no matter what you say, no brother. It no matter what you say. I'll make sure I screenshot all I know. Or fake page. I don't want no fake page tell me none. If you don't have something to tell me, you come with on a real page, brother. Tell me one on a real page. I'm not going to even address none of one. I'm going to care the fuck out I want to say. Bro, I'm tired of this woman now. Like, every day just a disrespect for no reason at all. No fucking reason at all, dog. Because me I tell her, I say, Rose, first and foremost, you come call me out and tell me, say, I do this and I do that. And I say, Rose, you're idiot. You know, say, me I tell the people, them say, you're wrong for say spitting at the drinks, but me know say never spit in at the drinks.
Some people, here what go on here, so. I know everybody in the whole drama thing. You see me, I say, it work for few people. It work for Rosealee. It work for she and her bestie. You know what I mean? This a youth here, him never really in a drama certain way. but him do him thing more while. Cause one at the time him and C and Lee did I go at it, but it was a friendly thing. Seeing with Rosealee, you know, as me say, from way back him and Rosealee kick off because something him figure pick up her and them something there. So I know everybody like the disrespect and them something there. You know what I mean? And Rosealee been a diss him diss Rosealee, but me not lie, I don't know Rosealee, so Rosealee got hard and Rosealee now no chill. You understand? So what go on here, some people want to know, give an opinion, tell me what you think in the comment section. So alright, so I'm gonna end it, my people.